Digital marketing proposal. It all starts with your brand. Now, what is digital branding? It is a technique that leverages the power of internet and digital medium to develop a brand, the specific identity or an image of a company. It empowers business to spread their reach across several platforms and generate a constant flow of leads. So, hence proof. It starts with your website, it starts with your logo, it starts with your domain name. So most of the people will have a logo along with a tagline where they talk about their business, and especially if you take an example of, let's say, a Nike, just do it. And if you talk about Salesforce, no software. Subway, eat fresh. So there are a lot of people, they are focusing on their logo, brand name, tagline, and the color combination that they fit in on their website. If you're focusing on your strategy, make sure you have all the digital platforms readily available. You have to start with your digital brochure, or you could have a beautiful website which is having a proper navigation and which act as a information catalog. So try to give maximum information possible on your website, because your website acts as a salesperson on your behalf. The next one is brand. What do you call it as branding? Everything that you see, every single color, every single element that you see on the internet becomes a branding. The color combination, the music, the jingles, everything is a branding. And the next one is you should be making yourself available on all the platforms. It could be a video format, it could be an image format. You should sound different. So major focus on, that's how you have to focus on your digital marketing proposal when you're sending it to client. So make sure you follow all these elements. Ratings for your services. So it starts with your website. As I told before, you should have a beautiful website structure, and whenever the happy customer is there, ask him to rate your business. And not only that, you should have a beautiful star rated website, which is a mobile friendly, where even the mobile user, tablet users can use your website. And when we talk about SEO, when you talk about search engine especially, you should be very active and you should have a very good rating on your search engines. Likewise, on the social media platform also, there should be a positive talk as a part of ORM, online reputation management, for your content. And that's how you will be able to grow your business and the people will be rating your business high. Start getting testimonials from your existing clients and the happy clients. What do our clients tell about us? Testimonial, XYZ company. So you will be able to see the 5 stars from Facebook and 5 stars from Google Plus and 5 stars from Chestile, which is really amazing. So people do make purchase decision looking at the stars. Identify a business problem. Although ABC is doing better than the average, there is always a scope of improvement. So the last month, my budget was this. Let's say 1 lakh. Now, what was my ROAS, return on ad spent? Investing 1 lakh, what did I gain? And where did I fall? Where did I fail? We have to recalculate every single thing, element on our business. Then there are high chances that we can re-strategize our content, especially on digital platform, and we have a scope of improvement. After doing a competition analysis, it's understood that website traffic could be increased by 30%. My competitor is active always on the search engines, and why I am not? And how many backlinks he is having and how many backlinks I am having, and what are the other elements, and what are the other components, how many interlinks that he has. So competitor analysis is very important when you focus upon the website traffic. Improving your social media presence. You should be first thing active on all the social media platform that is available for you. Internet is a platform that gives most of the tools for free. So make sure you are very much active on all the service provider in the market. Improve social media presence. Organic traffic can be generated by building a brand perception. Although ABC company is currently good in terms of SEO, but there aren't enough SEO pages when compared to your competitors. I have few pages which I've created and focusing on them for a ranking a page, but not sufficient. How do I improvise on them? What is the extra content that I'm delivering to the search engines? Make sense? So this will help search engine to promote your content or show your content to the users.